I just updated to the latest version of CapCut, which is version 7.5.0, and do you know you can use CapCut Pro features in this version without installing anything extra, without risky downloads, and without visiting any shady website? We are going to use an inbuilt feature in CapCut to achieve this amazing trick, but I know you will be wondering if this is possible, and that is what the video is going to prove. In this video, I will walk you through step by step how you can use CapCut Pro features in version 7.1.0, and watch through the video carefully because if you skip any part, it might not work for you. Since you are ready and excited, let's get into the video. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not promoting piracy or external software. Everything shown here uses CapCut's built-in tools and folders already on your computer. So first things first, let's download CapCut. And we are going to download it from CapCut's official website. Open any browser you want and type CapCut in the search bar. Now click on this link right here and it will take you to the official website of CapCut. On CapCut's website, click on the download button at the right upper corner of the page. Then, CapCut will redirect you to a new page. Wait for the CapCut software installer to be downloaded onto your desktop. Just wait for a while for it to be downloaded. Now, after the installer is done downloading, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install CapCut on your desktop. It's very easy and simple to install. When you are done, open the CapCut software. When you open CapCut, you will find the homepage interface just like this. The first thing you have to take note of is that I haven't signed in with any account, and these steps work very well even without you being signed in. Now, let's create a new project and show you all the good stuff I have for you in this video. I have opened a new project, and this is the new interface of CapCut with some insane features. If you want me to create a video on the amazing features CapCut has introduced in the latest version, just let me know in the comment section. Now let me click on Import and import a video to the media panel. For the sake of this tutorial, I am going to trim the video before adding it to the timeline, but you can import your video. Now I will add it to the timeline and I will trim it a bit again, because I don't want this tutorial to be long. I will click on this icon right here to zoom the video to fit the timeline. Now, let's add some pro features to this video. The first one I will add is captions, since most people use this feature in their videos when editing. So let's go to captions and generate some captions for this video. Just wait for the caption to be generated. When your caption is done generating, let's add some pro animations to the captions. Go to animation right here. Then come to this side where the custom captions are located and add a pro animation to the captions. I will go with the spin in 2 animation. Next, let's go to text and I will change the font to Resolve. Let's add more pro features to your video. You can actually add any pro feature when editing your video. I will add some effect to the video, go to Effects, then add this electro border effects to the video, which is also a pro effect. I will also go to Filters and add some filters to the video. I'm going to add this Silver Age filter to the video, then extend it to match the whole duration of the video, then decrease the intensity a bit. When you are done editing your video and you try to export it, you won't be able to export it with all the pro features you have used in your video while editing. So let's go back to our edit. This is where the crucial steps are going to start, so follow them very carefully and make sure you are done editing your video before you start this process. The first thing to do is to highlight everything on the timeline, then right-click and create a compound clip. Go to Basic under the Video tab. Now scroll down till you find the Motion Blur feature. Click on this box right here to add it to your video. Then set the blur to 5 and the blend also to 5, and wait for the motion blur effect to finish processing. For the processing, it takes a while depending on your video, so just wait patiently for it to finish, and then right-click on your video, then select Pre-Process Compound Clip. Now that our motion blur effect is done processing, it's time for you to get your video with the pro features you have used when editing. This part of the step should also be followed carefully, because if you miss one step, it might not work for you. Before we continue with the video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button, and drop a comment on what you'd like me to do next. Thanks. Now let's get back to our video. Let's minimize CapCut's interface. Now open your File Explorer, which is right here on the taskbar. Click on it to open it. Let me maximize the window to fill the screen so you can see everything clearly. Come to the left side of the folder and click on this PC. After opening that folder, open your local disk dash. That's where all data from softwares are stored. After opening the local disk, look for the Users folder and open it. Now inside the Users folder, open the folder with the name of your PC. look for the App Data folder. If you can't find the App Data folder, it's sometimes hidden. To reveal it, click the View tab right here, then, in the Show Hide section, you will see Hidden Items. If you check it, all hidden folders will appear. Now let's open the App Data folder. Inside the App Data folder, open the Local folder. Inside the Local folder, search for the CapCut folder and open it. Now inside the CapCut folder, open the User Data folder. Inside the User Data folder, look for the Projects folder and open it. Now inside the Projects folder, the folder with this name com.lveditor.draft, mine is right here, so I will open it. As you can see, all the videos that I have tested are right here, and I have tested a few videos, and it works every time. This is our video, so let's open it. Now, as you can see, every pro feature I used and wrote in the video, the caption, effect, and filter, is all right here, and the video plays with no issues. So now, this is what you have to do. You can either use your video right there, or you can drag and drop it into CapCut again. I'm going to move the video to the starting point and then delete the original one I created. Now, if you try to export, you can export your video without any issue. So let's go to Export and export our video. When exporting, you can change the resolution to the one you want and also the FPS to the one you want, and you are good to go. Now you can export your video with all the pro features. Before we end the video, this is a disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm not promoting piracy, third-party apps, or illegal downloads. Everything shown here uses CapCut's own built-in folders on desktop. Please note this method may not work for everyone, since different devices and updates can change how CapCut behaves. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope these CapCut tricks help you get more out of version 7.5. Remember, results can vary, depending on your device and updates. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more editing tips, and let me know in the comments what you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching.